three keywords I will leave with you. It's perfect, it's free, it's now. If you can deliver these three, everybody will buy your brand, product, whatever you have. Service, it can be anything that you have. It should be perfect, it should be free, and it has to be given now. So I think if we can achieve that in life, I think we would have done a tremendous amount of good for the businesses. But the free is not going to give you revenue, and therefore obviously your business is not going to survive. So which is where what I'm really trying to do is, we can't deliver these three, and therefore what is possible to deliver. And the tack I'm taking here is, I'm not necessarily getting into details of how to mine insights, how to get into details of data analyzing and so on and so forth. What I will try and do is run you through few insights that we could arrive with, and therefore what are the types of analysis that we have gone with, and so on and so forth. The route that I'm trying to achieve is through a proprietary tool that we employ, but this is more from a, given that I represent Omnicom Media Group, we employ this more from a media engagement standpoint as opposed to marketing or anything of that kind. But in this context, I am using various levels to give examples in terms of how our experiences have helped us either find insights or find an insight and then impact the businesses of our clients in some form or the other. So that's where I'm really taking it. Compare is something that I will leave out, because it is controversial. Consumers compare, you compare, everybody does comparison. It is really up to you to take out your key summaries out of comparisons, rather than we getting into analysis and so on and so forth. Primarily because X car versus Y car, you would have seen several analyses probably. Each time a car compares itself to another, they would pick and highlight only features that they are good with and leave out the rest. So it's not necessarily getting into a great comparison there. The next car would actually pick up the features that they are very good with, and therefore leave out the others which the other car is actually good with. If you look at pharmaceuticals, it's the same case. If you look at shampoos, it's the same case, and which is why I'm saying compare is something that I will leave up to you. You can compare it yourself when you are actually doing it.